Hello guys and welcome to Chioma's recipes. On today's recipe we'll be making the Nigerian pepper soup and we'll be using these ingredients for the pepper soup. So first of all, we'll be needing the cow skin, which is called pomo in Nigeria. We would also be using the cow tongue, which is very sweet. We'll also be needing part of the intestine, which is called shaki in Nigeria for this pepper soup. I have washed all the meat, they are washed and clean for this recipe. We would also be needing onion, the red pepper, and the red sweet pepper, and we'll also be needing the habanero pepper. I'll be blending these together for this pepper soup. So we'll be needing crayfish, we'll be needing salt, we'll be needing rosemary and thyme, and also cubes, seasoning cubes. We'll also be needing curry. These are optional. The curry, the thyme, and the rosemary, they are optional. If you want to skip them, you can't skip them. We'll also be needing the pepper soup spices, which is made up of uziza, the uda, the ehuru, dried ginger, and the rest. My mom made this for me, so you can make it yourself or you buy it from the market, and be sure of what you are buying, guys. This is what brings out the flavor in the pepper soup you are eating. This is what brings out the flavor in what you are eating, guys. So I'll be blending this now. I'll be chopping off the red sweet pepper, the onion, and the habanero pepper together. I'll be chopping them and setting them aside for blending. Okay, welcome back, guys. Now I'll be starting off with the cow skin, which is the pomo, because it's a little bit harder than the rest, but not that hard. So I'm going to be adding the pomo into the pots. So um, some of the rosemary, little of the curry, little of the thyme, a little bit of salt, just 1 cube of the seasoning, and some of the blended pepper mixture, just a little. So you have to stir that together. I'll be adding just a little bit of water to aid the cooking. I'm just adding a little bit. And I cover up to cook for like 10 minutes. Okay, now our 10 minutes it's up. We'll be adding the rest of the meats into the pot. So the cow tongue and the the shaki can cook at the same time. So I'll be adding both into the pot. Stir that together. Okay, now to the rest of the ingredients. I'll be adding more salt to it. I'm adding it little by little, the salt. You know, when it's cooking, you can test and see if there's salt or not. So here I'm adding the thyme and more cubes, seasoning cubes. Added 2 more to it. The curry, the pepper mix, stir that together. At this point, I'm not adding water yet because I want it to season a bit before adding water. I'll also add the pepper soup spices to it. So I'll allow this to cook so that I can see the amount of water it has before adding mine to it. Okay guys, welcome back. Now I would love to add water at this point. As you can see, it's cooking. The scent is heavenly. Like, I wish you are here to perceive this scent. So I'll be adding water at this point. You add water according to how you want it to be, how light or thick you want it to be. So you can also add your crayfish at this point. You stir that together. I don't like adding too much because, you know, crayfish has this sometimes this scent that seizes all other tastes. So I think this is enough. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, our pepper soup is cooking. If you have watched up till this time, guys, help your girl. Please help me. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and you can also turn on the notification button so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Please help your girl, help me on this street, guys. So I totally forgot to introduce this to the ingredients. This is dehydrated scent leaf. That is in Chuang if you're Igbo. I've totally forgotten the Yoruba name, but this is in Chuang, dehydrated one. We can't get the fresh one here. So my mom also did this and sent it to me. God bless her. So
we are also going to be adding this. This is what brings out the flavor. This is heavenly when you add nchwangu to your pepper soup. If you're Nigerian, you know. So I'll be opening up to see how the pepper soup is cooking. This is good. So I'll be adding the scent leaf at this point. Be washing it up and adding it to the pepper soup. If you don't have scent leaf, you can use other leaves like paisley, or any other one you feel comfortable using. I'll also be stirring that up. And I'm going to cover for 2 minutes. Okay, guys, welcome back again. So our pepper soup is ready. It's ready. So I'm stirring that up, guys. So now I'll be dishing it out. Thank you guys for watching. Those of you that watched up to this point, I am grateful. Thank you for staying tuned up to this time. I'll be uploading videos every weekend. Every Saturday you'll be having a new video. Every weekend, every Saturday in the evening, I'll be uploading new videos. You can also in the comment section tell me how I did. If there's any other thing you add in your pepper soup that I didn't add, please you can leave it in your comment section. Or if there's any food you would want me to try out that I can always lay my hands here in Denmark where I live, I would love to try them out. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.